Hey guys, once again, I'm here. Hello. Today we are talking about what the chickens eat. We just give them these scratch grains here. Not sure what brand it is, but here. Here. I think these chickens adore me. Here, have your food back. Anyway, this is going to be a short video because I don't have much data left and it's currently snowing, which is kind of blurring my vision on this phone. But, there's some duckos again. But, cold. What? What are you trying to tell me? Everything's getting soaking wet. This isn't the best. But our chickens are still lively. Always have been. Anyway, I got my first 2 subscribers. Thank you. Anyway, it's really snowing now. It feels like a snowstorm out here, except it really isn't. This is all in my mind. Anyway, I guess this is kind of all I really have